Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to close our SoFi account. We will put links in the description below for similar stock trading apps for you to sign up. So let's get started. Open the website, then click on Login. To log in, enter your email and password. Once logged in, you will see options on the left side of this page. Then, click on the banking option. On the right part of this page, you will see More option. Click on the More button. Now, on the left side, we will see more features and option. Once we scroll down, we can see the Close Account option at the bottom. Then, click on the Close Account button. Before closing the account, there are a few things you need to check. Next, please tick the checkbox if you have read and understand the information above. Then, click on the Close Account button. Here, you need to answer a few questions before you close your account. Next, click on the Continue button. Then, confirm the details below before submitting your request to close your account. After confirming, click on the Submit button. And that's how you close your SoFi account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses. See you in our next video.